In this video, I'm going to show you how to create backgrounds for your videos. My name is Robert Poole and my website is enterpriseformula.com. I provide tips and strategies to help you with your online marketing. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I do videos like this. I have access to a free, safe, and effective program that will help you with your online marketing. All you have to do is click the link in the description below to get access to it. I'm just chilling in my dining area here. I'm going to show you guys today how to make backgrounds just like the one I'm using right now. Okay, I'm a little tired of my dining area. Let me go to one of my other more comfortable areas. Yeah, I think I want to be in the kitchen. Yes, yep. Yeah, well, maybe I don't want to be in the kitchen. I think I want to be in the living room. Yeah, I want to be in the living room. It's pretty cool, huh? Well, it was cool to me. I thought that people that were struggling with some of the same problems I was with backgrounds might be interested in something like this. This is how you do it with Google Meet. So I'm going to show you the process, but these are some of the backgrounds that you can create for yourself. They have all kind of images that you can just upload and just use for backgrounds. It's pretty cool. I said, wow, I'm going to make a video and share this because I mean, it's new to me. I'm not, it might not be new to you. I saw a few videos up there, but this is cool. I think this is real cool. All right, back to my little lounging area. And with that, let's go through the process. So the way this works is you go to Google Chrome, and then right here where it says Google Apps, when you click on it, what you're looking for is Google Meet. You click on Google Meet, and then once you're in there, you just go to New Meeting. Click New Meeting. You're going to use Start an Instant Meeting. And then when you click that, now it's going to say your camera is starting. And now the images are going to appear. The last image that you chose is going to be the one that shows up here. Now the way to get these images, you just click this little Change Background button right here. When you click it, you get these options to change images. And as you click on each image, that image changes for you to the background. I think this is so cool. And this is in Google Meet. Now here are some of your options that you have inside of Google Meet. When you come down, you'll see the buttons here. You can completely turn your background off, which is what I just did. And the next thing you can do is this says you can slightly blur your background, or you can completely blur your background. And here you can use image from disk. In other words, you can upload your own image for your background. And as you can see, they have plenty of choices here that you can actually use. And as you click on each one, you have lots of choices within Google Meet itself. This is where you have the option to turn the camera on or off. You can turn the mic on or off here. So that's about all I can think of that you would need to know in order to make this work. And you can just change to whatever image you want. And as you can see, the images will change in the background for you. If you were looking for a way to have background images for your videos for whatever reason, this is pretty cool. And guess what? Guess who showed me how to do this? My 6-year-old granddaughter. They were playing, her and my other granddaughter, they were playing a game on their computer back and forth and wearing astronaut costumes and flipping backgrounds and I just happened to watch. I'm like, what are you guys doing? I said, that's kind of cool. How do you do that? Let me show you, Papa. I'm Papa. I said, let me show you, Papa. So they showed me. I mean, like two little expert instructors. They just took me to the process. And as you can see, it's really very easy to do. So I think I'll go back to the living room. All right. Just change the lighting around a little bit just to see if it makes a difference, and it does. This is really neat. So for more videos like this, just subscribe to my channel. If you click the link in the description below, you'll get access to a free blueprint that will give you all the training you need to help you get started online. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification. Hit a like. Give me some love. I'd appreciate it. Have a nice day.